Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell every time so that every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. You guys, I've been waiting to do this video for a long time. My bestie is in Vegas with me! She ain't quiet, y'all. Don't let her fool you with that innocent ass. That right there. But I'm gonna turn this off because we got music playing. And wait, hey, listen. Okay, we in these streets. You guys, this video is gonna be totally different today because I am hanging with my bestie, and yeah, it's gonna be totally different. It's relaxation time, fun time, catching up time, kidnapping time, because I don't think that she's gonna go back to Cali for another 5 days. But yeah, yeah.
Room, and that's when I said no, I'm not gonna do it. And then that's when he said, well, I got you a room at Westgate because it was a prepaid one. It was like $160.
Mm-hmm.
I just remember when we were here for your wedding and we went to brunch. Oh, God.
Where did we go?
Well, we were at the Luxor.
That was on a Sunday.
Yeah, I know. I can't do Sunday.
But
I
Egg
don't
Works
wanna
is
get
good.
traffic.
Egg Works is good. It's right down the street. And Nolan is right over there too. You guys, we're just chilling, doing what we do when we get together, because she still live in Cali and I still live in Vegas. And yeah. Ooh wee.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay. Whew. It's medicinal. We both got conditions, y'all.
You definitely got some conditions.
It's relaxing for whatever condition you have. We both got asthma. It's relaxing for the asthma.
Chronic pain.
And she got chronic pain.
I got 3 autoimmune diseases documented.
She has 3 autoimmune diseases documented. I don't know. I don't have no autoimmune, but I do have asthma.
So let me smoke.
Yes. No, because my pulmonary doctor said it relaxes the lungs, and it does. If it relaxes everything else, it gotta relax the lungs. What they'll say? No, I'm not gonna relax you lungs. I'm just gonna relax the arm, the back, the neck, the head, but and the kidneys, everything. But I'm not about to relax you lungs.
Jesus.
You okay with her?
Golly.
And just laughed at me because I said that.
Right? Fuck.
See?
Like I haven't smoked this shit before.
This is from Cali, you guys. One of the best sharecroppers ever. Oh. Woo. We're about to go to a place called Egg Works to eat. Bomb food, and it's really gonna taste good now. She in her element. This is her type of music. Well, no, it is, but it isn't, because she got the black side and the Mexican side. She about to start getting salsa it up in this thing.
Kick the bass up. So dirty on the way here.
We are here at Egg Works, you guys, and we have a whole 20-minute wait. That's the worst when you're hungry.
She want to go get a cheeseburger.
Yeah, I was gonna go get a cheeseburger from McDonald's while waiting. Ooh. Okay, I won't get. Maybe what about apple pie? Oh my God.
Is this the place we came to before?
I don't know.
That they have the big waffles?
No, that was Hash House a Go-Go.
Oh, okay.
That would have been good too.
Oh, this is good. Something new.
Yep. It feels so good out here.
Yes.
I'm feeling lovely right now.
You're gonna get stuck in the
Okay, you guys. I'll be back when we go inside. Okay, guys, we're eating right now. We started eating,
She would have a heart attack.
and everything is so good. But again, they have music playing in the background, so I'm gonna eat my home fries, my avocado omelet, and the pancake. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, we just finished eating. And I needed that food in my system to make this little high go down.
Right.
So, I guess we're headed back to the house right now. And then to the soccer game. But yeah, where's she at? I don't know where she is. I can't get in the car. Here she come, y'all. Woo!
The back windshield wiper went off. That's why I was wet. Girl, look.
You would have been mad. Okay, you guys, look. She just got these shoes. Hold up. She just got these shoes. We're in there, and the waitress knocks over, was it your orange juice?
My orange juice.
Her orange juice. And it got all over her sandals. And she said, oh, it's okay. And then she thought about it. I'm so glad I didn't wear my shoes in here. It would have been another story. Not, oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Now your toes are sticky and shit. Okay. I'll be right back.
I'm a real ass, rich ass bitch from the south. First off, I ain't fucking for no clout. I ain't fucking on no nigga sleeping on this on the couch. What the fuck? Right now. I'm a freak ass, straight ass bitch from the south. Is you gon' catch it? Eat it up for breakfast. Ain't that fatty, come to think I do gymnastics. I hit up city like what's up, I'm in the bank. The baddest bitch in my ace, said I'm going every day.
Okay, guys, we are back from eating. She went to a soccer game. I came home. I didn't want to go to the soccer game. So we're downstairs watching a movie. We said all the stuff we were going to do. And then we came back here and fell asleep. But she wants to go downtown and get this drink that she wants. So we're going to do that when she wakes up over there snoring. Snoring. But it's okay. And watch, what is the name of this movie? It's called, I forgot the name of it anyway. And we're here. I'm thinking about flat ironing his hair. You know how when you're watching a movie, you just do little silly stuff? I just twisted that up. Anyway, yeah. I'm not high anymore. Thank God for that. Oh my gosh, I was like too high. I had to eat a lot of stuff to make this high come down. Man. But with that being said, I'm gonna finish watching this movie. And when she wakes up, we're gonna hit the Striz Nights. Just so she can go and get her drink. And then I guess I'll come back home. I was supposed to go to Hobby Lobby and stuff like that today. You know what? I'm gonna call Marlene right now and see what's up. I'll be back, you guys.